Ito yung must try na dapat niyong subukan sa Fusion Alley. This is McDale's. So I tried two things here. First was yung Ebi Nasu. I was actually surprised sa quality nito. Base sa poster, gawa to sa eggplant na merong shrimp on top, miso glaze, fried onion, spicy mayo, and caviar. At ginamitan siya ng torch. So I can say this is an art. So let's try this na. First bite pa lang sumabog na agad yung flavors niya. Very flavorful kaya talagang napataas agad yung dalawa kong kilay sa sarap. Yung lasa niya parang kasing quality ng mga mamahaling sushi sa mga restaurant or hotel. So from Japan, dadako naman tayo sa Thailand for our drink. So this is the Bangkok or the Bangkok. Kaya na lang bahala kung paano bigkasin. Basically, Thai milk tea siya pero fancy yung pagkaka-prepare. I think meron tong coffee jelly and parang caramel and may whipped cream on. Nagustuhan ko to kasi very balanced yung sweetness and yung flavor mismo ng Thai tea. Though medyo iba rin yung lasa niya compared to sa chatram mo na iniinom ko usually. Na-enjoy ko pareho yung The Bangkok and yung Ebinasu. I think they really live by their tagline na when craft bar meets the street, very intentional yung pagkakagawa ng mga product nila. Kaya talagang masasabi ko na